Three bells ring at intervals of 15, 20, 30 minutes. If they ring together at 11 am, at what time will they next ring together? Now each solution will be like that. Solution: 3 bells ring at interval of 15, 20 and 30. Together, all three bells ring at 11 am. Now we have to find out the LCM of 15, 20 and 30. Now by the division methods we'll find out the LCM of 15, 20 and 30. So smallest prime number is 2. So 15 is not divisible by 2. 20 is 10 times, 15 times. And now 5. 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. So next 2 cannot divide by 3. So next 3, 1 times 1, 1. So now this 2, 5, 2 and 3 will multiply. Then we'll get LCM of 15, 20 and 30. So now LCM will be 60. So here unit is minute. So 60 minutes. Therefore 60 minutes equal 1 hours. 60. Therefore all three bells ring next time equal 11 am plus 1 hour. So 11 am plus 1 hour equal 12 pm. So next bell will ring together 12 pm.